Hi, my name is Karen and today I'm going to show you our BEEVIE's hair balm. The organic hair balm provides hydration and nourishment to dry, damaged hair and has the ability to tame some serious frizz. Our hair is subjected to harmful UV rays, pollution and heat damage on a daily basis. These factors can leave your hair dry, dull and cause breakage. The combination of avocado and broccoli seed oil gives our hair a boost of hydration and restores its natural shine. Smooth out unruly hair and make it healthy again without weighing it down. Squirt a little hair balm into the palm of your hand and massage it into the ends of your hair. This product works great on dry as well as wet hair. Just give it a try. No need to rinse your hair after applying the balm. I hope you are going to enjoy our BEEVIE products. Bussi aus Wien.